Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you switch to a healthier diet? Specifically, what happens to one of your hardest working organs, the liver? Today, we're going on a fascinating 7-day journey to see the incredible transformation your liver can undergo when you start eating liver-friendly foods. It's faster and more amazing than you might think. So, what exactly does liver-friendly mean? Think of foods packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, and low in processed sugars, unhealthy fats, and alcohol. We're talking about things like leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and olive oil. For the next 7 days, imagine your plate is filled with these vibrant, nutrient-dense foods. Let's start the clock and see the magic unfold. Day 1. The first 24 hours are all about hitting the reset button. As you swap out processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive saturated fats for whole foods, your liver gets a much-needed break. It's like telling your most overworked employee they can finally take a breather. Instead of struggling to process a flood of difficult substances, your liver can now focus on its regular, crucial jobs. You might not feel a dramatic change on the outside just yet, but inside, your liver is sighing with relief. The constant inflammatory stress begins to decrease, and your liver cells start to stabilize. This is the crucial first step on the path to recovery and rejuvenation. Think of it as clearing the clutter before a deep clean. Moving on to day 2. Your body is now adapting to its new fuel source. You're feeding it high-quality nutrients, and your liver is taking notice. One of its main jobs is to process everything you eat and drink. With a clean diet, it can more efficiently metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The production of bile, which is essential for digesting fats, becomes more effective. You might start to notice you feel a little lighter and less bloated. This is a direct result of your digestive system, with the liver as its command center, functioning more smoothly. The gentle detoxification process has begun as your liver starts to more effectively neutralize and eliminate toxins that have built up. By day 3, something wonderful starts to happen. Your liver is a master of regeneration, but it needs the right conditions. By now, the inflammation in your liver is likely continuing to decrease. This is incredibly important because chronic inflammation is a key driver of liver damage. As the inflammation subsides, your liver cells, or hepatocytes, can start to repair themselves. This is also when you might notice a subtle shift in your energy levels. Instead of the sugar crashes that come with processed foods, you're getting a steady supply of energy from complex carbs, healthy fats, and proteins. Your liver is playing a huge role in regulating your blood sugar, and a healthy diet makes its job so much easier. So if you're feeling a bit more pep in your step, you can thank your happy liver. Welcome to day 4. This is often a turning point. Internally, your liver is getting better at its detoxification duties. It has 2 main detox phases. A liver-friendly diet provides the nutrients like B vitamins and antioxidants from fruits and vegetables that are essential for both phases to work optimally. Your liver is becoming a super efficient cleaning machine. On the outside, you might even start to see the benefits. Some people report clearer skin around this time. Why? Because when the liver is overwhelmed, the body may try to push toxins out through the skin. A healthier liver means less work for your skin, leading to a brighter, clearer complexion. It's a beautiful sign that your inner health is starting to shine through. Halfway through our journey, we reach day 5. By now, your liver is likely reducing its fat storage. A common issue is fatty liver disease, where excess fat builds up in the liver. A diet high in sugar and unhealthy fats is a major contributor, but just 5 days of clean eating can start to reverse this. Your liver begins to burn its stored fat for energy. This process not only helps the liver itself, but can also contribute to overall weight management and improve metabolic health. You might feel less sluggish, especially after meals, as your body becomes more efficient at using the food you eat for fuel rather than storing it as fat. As we head into day 6, the benefits start to compound. Your antioxidant levels are up, thanks to all the berries, greens, and colorful veggies. These antioxidants are your liver's personal bodyguards. They protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, you're not just helping your liver heal, you're actively protecting it from future damage. This long-term protection is crucial for maintaining liver health throughout your life. Think of it as building a shield around one of your most vital organs. And just like that, we've arrived at day 7. After 1 full week of nourishing your body with liver-friendly foods, what's the verdict? Internally, your liver is functioning at a much higher level. Inflammation is down, detoxification pathways are running smoothly, and cellular repair is well underway. The fat content in your liver has likely started to decrease, but what about you? You'll probably feel it. You might have more sustained energy, better digestion, clearer thinking, and a brighter mood. Your body is no longer on a roller coaster of sugar highs and lows. Your gut health has improved, which is closely linked to your liver health. This 7-day journey shows just how resilient and responsive your liver is. It is a powerhouse organ that can begin to heal itself in a remarkably short amount of time when given the right support. Of course, this is just the beginning. The real long-term benefits come from making these healthy choices a consistent part of your lifestyle. But isn't it incredible to know that you can start making a positive impact in just 1 week? It's proof that every healthy meal, every good choice truly counts. Remember, if you have any existing health conditions, especially concerning your liver, it is always best to talk to a doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. They can give you personalized advice to ensure you're doing what's best for your unique body. Thank you so much for joining me on this 7-day liver transformation journey. I hope it inspired you to show your liver some love. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to support your health, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you next time.